I'm very grateful for this opportunity in order to share with you the passion of Ramallah City to use the capacity of technology in order to provide our citizens with the most efficient and effective services. Next, please. Ramallah now functions as Ramallah now functions as the main political and economic and cultural acting capital. We faced a lot of challenges because of that, because we have a high rate of internal migration. We host all governments, all NGOs and international representatives. And this, yeah, we are looking for that. Yeah, thank you. Sorry for this. This put the city under stress and required digital solution in order to fulfill our citizens' demands and in order to develop sustainable management tools for the city. However, the implementation of this of technology faced a lot of challenges in Palestine. We have a very unique political situation where we are not allowed to fully use the technology. For now, until now, we are banning from using the 4G and 5G, even the 3G. We are authorized to use it only a year ago. And other obstacles are the delay and sometimes the preventing from import technology equipments. Another huge obstacle is the outdated legal framework, which has major gaps like the absence of e-signature law and the cyber crimes law. Also, we have limited resources. Therefore, we still rely heavily on donors in order to invest in technology. Despite all these challenges, we were able to develop our strategy for a smart city, taking into consideration the UN 2030 agenda. And in order to facilitate these dimensions, we have to develop technology, digital solutions, and we have invested in these core components: e-management solutions, e-services channels, several smart apps, several digital communications, and digital infrastructure for schools. The first component is to empower our employees. And under this management component, we have developed a full ERP system. Actually, we reform all our services in order to digitalize it. Till now, Ramallah municipality is 95% paperless municipality. And if the e-signature law has been approved, we will become a 100% paperless municipality. Another thing we have developed, actually we have a very intensive GIS platform, and this platform is an intersected sectorial platform where it revolutionized the way we query, the way we document, the way we analyze data. And we use the power of maps in order to see different type of information in the city. We have document almost all things that are related to a location in our city, from parcels, building, facilities, networks, water networks, sewer, even our international relationships we have documented. Every department in the Ramallah municipality have at least one application related to the GIS that is fully integrated with the ERP, and it is part of our daily workflow. Also, we have developed a digital archive platform where we document all our data, the historical data, and right now we are planning to scale it up in order to include all the city data. We provide API to the government and to the service provider in order to access up-to-date data, and also we implement API from our partners and the stakeholder in order to make our database more comprehensive. We have live streaming from almost all intersections in the city, and this live streaming is combined with a machine learning software that we have developed internally in order to count cars, recognize them based on the type of the car, whether it is private or public. Also, we measure the time of passing of the cars in order to improve our plans based on real data. And in addition to that, we have a tracking system on all our vehicles. And here are a sample of one of mapping tool using the GIS that is fully integrated with our CRM and the ERP. We can access all the data that related to owners, know their financial statements, see the picture of the buildings, take virtual tour over them, also know all information about the networks, the historical maps, the historical buildings, the classifying of our parcels. Another application that we use is for solid waste containers, and we have hundreds of applications that is specified for each department. So here we see the distribution of the waste containers, and this helps us to reorganize the waste containers, so we guarantee and ensure that is only one waste car collector enter the same street. Another component is the e-services. It is for our citizens and our visitors. Through this component, we provide our citizen with the e-service platform, so any service that the citizen have to come to the municipality in person to apply for it, he or she can apply it through this platform. Also during COVID-19, the Palestinian Authority have authorized several e-wallets. All of these wallets are available for our citizens through our service platform and through our mobile app. We have also special smart online forms. Recently we all our forms are online, but recently we start to ask the customer to submit his location through the GIS while he is taking this questionnaire or while he applies for any service, and this helped us to know the distribution of our applicants in a better way. Also, almost all our GIS applications are available to our citizen in order to inquire for data, know more information about this specific place, take direction from place to place, and all of these are free on our website. Here is a sample of another application. It is the Garden of Nation app. Actually, almost any city that we have a relationship with, they give us a piece of art. So we put this in a garden, and we have created an application in the GIS, show the location and show the picture of the piece of art and information and more information about the city that give us that gift. Another application is for the cemetery app. Anyone want to visit the cemetery, he can search for the name, and it can give him the location and even the stone, the gravestone. Here is another application for our international relation. We use it like archiving background Also, here we mention the details of the relations, at what year we signed it, any visit from them to us or between us, we document it on this application, and also we can see the distribution of Ramallah relations over the world on the maps. The third component is the smart app. We have our official mobile app up on Apple Store and Google Play. And right now, this is one of important communication tool between us and between our citizens, because he received any notification or any event notification through this, and also he can see and read our news, in addition to apply for all services and to submit if he has any complaint or suggestion for the municipality. Also, the virtual tour, we have an application for visitors and for the citizens who lives outside. It's a virtual tour through all the city. We have other applications for prepaid parking across the city. And also we have a GIS collectors that people and citizens can submit through any complaint with the location, and also for our employee in order to work from the field. Here's an example where an employee can go to the field, access live data from our ERP system, and if there is any update, like who owns this building or a picture for this building, he can submit it directly to his to the administrator, and at the end, any change will highlighted, so the office employee can see these changes highlighted and approve the changes. The fourth component is the digital communication. As I said, we have several ways in order to connect with our citizens. We have our official website, we have the social media, we have the mobile app. Anyone apply for the services or any complaints, he receive an automated message from our platform to his through WhatsApp or through SMS. And also we have live streaming for some council meetings and for some interviews with the mayor, in addition to a broadband infrastructure and free Wi-Fi. As I said, only a year ago, we were authorized in order to use the 3G. But since 2014, we considered Ramallah as our home, and we provided free Wi-Fi across all the major streets and in all public facilities like the library, the gardens, because we have developed application, and this application should be available to access from our citizens and from our visitors. The last component is digital infrastructure for schools. Actually, Ramallah municipality invested in all public schools. We installed infrastructure for technology-based teaching learning system in all public schools. Half of them are converted to smart schools, where each class has an interactive TV or interactive projector, where we have servers that record everything written on that screens, and each student has a username and password who can back to this material later. So if the school is closed or he's quarantined for any reason, he can still know what is happening in the class. Also, we provide schools with virtual labs in order to do virtual experiments, take journeys, documentation, view documentations, etc. Also, we support our students with some equipments like tablets or small laptops. And we have developed an e-school platform that is the main channel to communicate between the teacher and administration and between parents and the students. And this was very helpful through COVID-19. Lessons learned. I want to share with you some lessons that we learned through this process. Actually, the key in our success was our collaboration with the central and local government, with the public and private successful partnership and public effective management. Technology can improve the work condition for our citizens and the service sustainability. Also, it makes us very closer to citizens. Data-driven decision-making plays a central role in providing sustainable services. Also, visualizing data makes difference. So it was a primary way for us to explore and analyze data and to make decisions based on these data. Also, an advice for all, source code must be owned by the government or by the municipality in order to ensure the sustainability and to do upgrades. Lastly, smartness is not by convert the city to a digital city, but how you can use what is available for you from technology in order to go over some challenges using the power of technology. You may have a copy of my presentation through scanning this QR. Thank you.
Thank you, Safaa, very much. I don't know if there is any question. Neviem, či sú nejaké otázky na slajdov. Aspoň nevidím. Okay, I guess we have one. Are you using a proprietary cloud solution or other own custom solutions?
Actually, we have a hyper-converged solution in our municipality, and we have a DR site that is inside the city, and we are planning to move it outside Palestine. Also, we use the cloud in order to host a backup from all our services and softwares.
Thank you very much again. I can confirm that you will be here today and tomorrow as well, just in case anybody has questions, they can meet you in private. Thank you very much.